Welcome back to our channel Garden Enthusiast. In today's video we are diving into the realm of creativity and nature as we explore 10 captivating garden decor ideas that will elevate your outdoor space to new heights of beauty and charm. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, these ideas are bound to inspire you to create a tranquil oasis that reflects your personality. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Transform a corner of your garden into a whimsical fairy tale with the charming fairy garden. Miniature houses, winding pathways, and tiny accessories will bring an element of magic to your space. Add some solar powered fairy lights to illuminate the area at night for a truly enchanting atmosphere. If you are short on space, a vertical plant wall is the perfect solution. Install wall mounted planters and arrange a variety of plants to create a living masterpiece. Not only it will add a splash of colors, but it will also purify the air and create a calming ambience. Add a touch of elegance to your garden entrance with a rustic garden arc, whether adorned with climbing roses or fragrant jasmine. These arc creates a stunning focal point while inviting you and your guests into your outdoor heaven. Bring the soothing sound of nature into your garden with a water feature, a bubbling fountain, a serene koi pond, and even a mini waterfall can instantly enhance the ambience, making your garden a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Give your garden a vintage vibe by incorporating repurposed items. Old wooden crates, vintage bicycles, and antique garden tools can be creatively repurposed as unique planters or eye catching focal points. Create an outdoor space lounge area with cozy seating cushions and pergola. String up some outdoor curtains for privacy and add a fire pit or a chimney to extend the usability of your garden into the cooler evenings. Add a touch of sophistication with sculptures and statues that suit your style, from classical Greek figures to modern abstract pieces. These artful additions can complement your garden's aesthetic and lend a sense of artistry to the surroundings. Combine beauty and practicality by integrating an herb and vegetable garden. Raised beds or creative planters can house a variety of herbs, veggies, and edible flowers. Not only will you enjoy the visual appeal, but you will also have a fresh ingredients at your fingertips. Elevate your garden's charm even after the sunset with solar powered pathways light. These eco-friendly lights not only illuminate your garden's paths but also add a touch of magic as they guide the way through your beautiful landscaped garden. Take advantage of vertical space by hanging an array of planters from trees, pergolas, or overhead structures. Cascading flowers and trailing vines will bring a lush cascading effect that adds depth and interest to your garden. There you have it, 10 exquisite garden decor ideas that will transform your outdoor space into the heaven. Whether you are a gardening novice or a seasoned pro, these ideas offer something for everyone. Which ideas resonated you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Happy gardening!